Good morning, one and all. My name is Ramana, a final year student from Computer Science Engineering at Panimala Engineering College. I am happy to share I have been placed in the package of 4 LPA. This success truly because of my strong support from my college. The excellence infrastructure, labs and libraries and overall learning experience environment helped me to build a strong foundation. I am sincerely thankful to my HOD and their faculty members for their guidance, encouragement, and continuous support throughout the journey. Participating in technical events, workshops, and other activities helped me to gain confidence to improve my skills. The training conducted by QSpiders and the placement team, including aptitude, technical sessions, and mock interviews, prepared me well for my interview equipment process. The interview at Capgemini was challenging, but the training I received helped me to clear all the rounds confidently. I truly grateful to my college and my placement team. To my juniors, stay focused, trust the process, and believe in yourself. Thank you.